In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bybit to TradingView. This process is relatively straightforward and should simplify your trading experience by integrating your favorite charting platform with your trading account. Let's dive right into it. To begin, head over to the TradingView website. TradingView is an exceptional platform known for its robust charting capabilities and comprehensive market tracking features. Once on the home page, locate the search bar. It's generally near the top of the screen, easily accessible for your convenience. Click on it. Next, type in Bitcoin USD to access the relevant trading pair, which will help us in setting up our connection for demonstration purposes. Click on the Bitcoin USD option from the drop-down menu to bring up its chart. This is where we begin our process for linking your TradingView with Bybit. Now, draw your attention to the highlighted areas on your screen. You'll typically find the chart settings here, which allow you to tailor the displayed information according to your preferences. Click on Highlight, which sets the stage for integrating with Bybit. Once clicked, you may have to type in Bybit into the next available search field or filter option. This ensures you're connecting to the right trading platform. When you see Bybit in your list of options, click on it. This action initiates the connection process between TradingView and Bybit. At this point, you should see the option to connect. Go ahead and click on Connect. A new window will likely pop up confirming that you want TradingView to perform transactions through your Bybit account. You may need to log in or verify your account details. Look for your registered email address. Click on the email displayed. This step is crucial as it's through this email that your connection settings and permissions are confirmed. If you see your email address more than once, click as necessary to ensure the account is correctly selected. Next, a critical step involves typing in any security highlights or codes that verify you as the account holder. Ensure all information typed is accurate to facilitate a smooth connection. After verifying your credentials, proceed to the final step, clicking on Authorize. Once authorized, you've successfully established a connection between your Bybit account and TradingView. This linking allows you to execute trades directly from TradingView's interface using Bybit's execution capabilities, enhancing your overall trading efficiency. That's it. You're now all set to experience the seamless integration of TradingView's analytical features with Bybit's trading functionality. If you encounter any issues during this process, reviewing each step can typically resolve most problems. Enjoy your new integrated trading experience.